November holds a special place in our hearts. The vibrant atmosphere, the stunning decorations, and the excitement in the air makes it our favourite time to visit. Today we're excited to share our 5 favourite things to do in New York during this magical month. Hi, I'm Michael.
And I'm Marty.
We are Linky Lifestyle and we've visited New York together 10 times.
That's right, we've experienced the city in a range of conditions from the sweltering heat of July to the frigid chill of December. First up, let's talk about the breathtaking holiday shop windows that come alive in November.
Yes, stores like Macy's and Saks Fifth Avenue go all out, attempting to outdo each other with their stunning and often whimsical displays. These windows often incorporate themes of joy and celebration, drawing on classic tales, holiday symbols, and an array of festive colours.
It's truly a sight to behold. From animated figures to elaborate light shows, each window tells its own story.
These displays are not only enchanting for kids, but also evoke a sense of nostalgia for adults who may have visited them during their own childhoods.
The entirety of Fifth Avenue is transformed into a sparkling spectacle, attracting countless visitors. Just remember to rug up because it can get quite chilly, especially as the day wanes.
Be prepared to spend several hours soaking in the holiday spirit. The atmosphere is filled with joy, friendship and celebration, creating an experience that's simply magical. It's a busy scene, especially with the families enjoying the decorations, but the experience is well worth every moment. Next, let's head over to Central Park. One of the highlights in November is the massive amount of squirrel activity.
That's right. As the temperature drops, these little creatures become particularly entertaining, frolicking around and busily burying their nuts for the upcoming winter. Their playful antics bring a light-hearted charm to the park.
While you're enjoying the crisp air and vibrant fall foliage in Central Park, keep in mind that the fountains are turned off for winter, creating a different vibe than in the warmer months.
Instead, you can witness the park's bustling atmosphere filled with street performers showcasing their talents.
We especially love watching the bubble makers. It's delightful when they create giant bubbles that float through the air, much to the wonder of children and adults alike.
And don't forget to keep an eye out for the rare black squirrel. They're a unique sight in Central Park and a fun photo opportunity during your visit. Coming in at number 3 is the famous Rockefeller Christmas tree.
This iconic symbol of the holiday season lights up the plaza, captivating visitors with its grandeur.
Be warned though, the crowds can be sheer mayhem. The tree lighting ceremony is particularly popular and tends to draw massive crowds.
You might prefer ice skating in Bryant Park instead. Beautifully situated, Bryant Park offers a cozy winter wonderland atmosphere.
Not only does Bryant Park feature a stunning skating rink, but it also hosts quaint winter markets that offer unique gifts and tasty seasonal treats. It's a wonderful place to sip on hot chocolate whilst shopping for one-of-a-kind souvenirs.
The ice skating experience at Bryant Park is far more enjoyable and intimate compared to the Rockefeller Center. So grab your skates and enjoy twirling around the rink as festive music fills the air. Fourth on our list is the spectacular Thanksgiving Day Parade.
This iconic spectacle showcases giant balloons, lavish floats and performances from various artists that are sure to delight audiences of all ages.
The parade runs from 77th Street down to Macy's Herald Square, giving you a perfect opportunity to grab a good viewing spot early.
But don't stop there. Treat yourself to a Thanksgiving dinner like you've never experienced before at a fabulous restaurant like Manhattan, where you can indulge in a gourmet meal with breathtaking views of the city skyline.
After your festive meal, take a leisurely stroll through the financial district.
It's surprisingly quiet there during this time, creating a stark contrast to the hustle and bustle of the holiday preparations.
Of course, don't miss the Charging Bull statue, which is always surrounded by tourists snapping photos. It's a testament to the energy of Wall Street, a must-see.
Finally, let's talk about the amazing views you can get by heading up a tall building.
We've been up them all: the World Trade Center, Empire State Building, the Rockefeller Center, the Edge, and the Summit.
Our pick? The Summit.
Located on Vanderbilt Street, this new viewing platform offers an immersive experience that you won't want to miss.
With multiple levels and various interactive exhibits, the summit is warm and engaging, making it the perfect place to relax whilst enjoying stunning panoramic views of the city.
From here you can see all four corners of Manhattan and the surrounding rivers, the views of iconic buildings like the Empire State Building, the Rockefeller Center, the World Trade Center, and my personal favourite, the Chrysler Building.
It's a fantastic way to capture the essence of New York from above, allowing you to appreciate its beauty from a whole new perspective. As a bonus tip, keep in mind that it can snow as you approach late November.
We've been to New York 10 times now, and we've experienced snow 3 times during our visits.
So be sure to consider your clothing choices. Layer up to stay warm as the temperatures can fluctuate throughout the day.
Don't forget the importance of comfortable footwear, as you'll likely be doing a lot of walking.
And when you find yourself feeling the chill, pop into warm stores or cafes for a breather, hot chocolate, or a freshly baked pastry. These cosy spots can be the perfect places to recharge before heading back out into the crisp city air. So there you have it, our top 5 unforgettable experiences in New York this November.
We hope this inspires you to explore all the magic that the city has to offer during this vibrant season.
Whether it's the holiday shop windows, the playful squirrels in Central Park, the glittering Rockefeller tree, the joyous Thanksgiving parade, or the stunning skyline views, there's something for everyone to enjoy.
Safe travels and happy adventures. Until next time, let's make some unforgettable memories together.
And don't forget to subscribe for more great content.